Fourth US plane carrying illegal Indian immigrants reaches India. The flight landing in Amritsar in Punjab yet again. So remember, Donald Trump is not backing down. He's very clear. Illegal Indian immigrants, fourth US plane has landed. Now, compared to the first one where there were over 100, only 12 in this aircraft. Could this be possibly the final aircraft right now that Donald Trump administration has decided to send back, the flight landing in Punjab? We'll try and get more clarity if all the 12 are from Amritsar or other cities and states as well. So what is the total right now? Over 300, to be specific, 347 allegedly illegal Indians have been deported from United States of America. Donald Trump is very clear of this policy, whether it's India or any other nation. If there's no documentation, if there's an illegal route that has been taken, those illegal immigrants, as he calls them, aliens, will be sent back. Remember, legal immigration continues. Indians are still one of the favorite when it comes to legal immigrants, skilled immigrants, especially when it comes to tech jobs. However, this is also a reality currently of Trump administration's decisions. Aman Bhardwaj joins me for the latest on that. Aman, over 300 have come. You've been speaking to a lot of deputies. Has the flight landed? And only 12, interestingly, in this one.
Yes, Pooja, because this particular flight was scheduled to land in Chandigarh today at 4 p.m. by 2196 Indigo flight. But it was rescheduled for Amritsar because 4 of them were from Punjab, specifically 2 from Gurdaspur, 1 from Jalandhar and 1 from Patiala. And India Today has accessed the list as well. There were total 12 deportees that came from Delhi today as well. And list includes 4 from Punjab, 4 from Haryana, 3 from UP, and 1 is unidentified. So the details has been also shared by the airport authorities that this particular people of 12 deportees will be coming, and 4 that reached Punjab today at around 4 p.m. Is Jatinder Bangu, Maninder Dutt, Jugraj Singh and Harpreet Singh. So these are the 4 people out of 12 who belongs to Punjab, and they have been...
Does it look like all these 12 this time are from Punjab, because earlier they were from other cities and states as well?
Out of 12, there are 4 people from Punjab, 4 deportees, and 4 deportees are from Haryana, and 3 from UP, and 1 is unidentified. So total, which makes to 12 deportees that came from Delhi, and they've been from Delhi. They've been sent to their particular states from where they belong to.
All right, I correct myself because remember, it's a developing story. Latest information now coming in. The aircraft has landed in national capital Delhi, not in Punjab. And that's the latest update that's come in. 12 Indian illegal immigrants, that remains the same. Earlier flights landed in Amritsar, primarily in Punjab. 12 this time. Are you hearing information, Aman, final question, of more flights landing in India, or for now this appears to be the last and final one for now?
See, whatever we have had a conversation with the airport authorities or the concerned government, so they are very uncertain for the numbers even this year, because this list also includes the flight which is coming today landing in Amritsar, comes from Delhi. So it is very uncertain for the government to comment whether they are directly landing in Amritsar and coming in for the future to comment. And also because there are thousands of deportees that for which list being prepared for coming days. So we have to see that.
Okay, so possibly, yes, possibly from Delhi then we'll head to Amritsar and other cities as well. But interesting, remember, even for 12 illegal Indian immigrants, America making that effort to send them back. That's a very clear message when it comes to illegal immigration, that it will not be accepted at any cost. So that's the latest coming in. 4 planes, 4 aircrafts have landed now in total.